So hi friend, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about COMEDCAN KCET 2021 cutoff, that is the top 10 college updated cutoff. As I have already provided you the top 25 college and lower 15 college expected cutoff for this year for CSC, ISC and EC branch. But there is the increment of number of seat and number of branches in some college. So out of them, I will consider the top 10 college where the branch and number of seat has been increased. So after considering all those factors, now I am providing you the updated cutoff for top 10 college, because after the addition of so many branches and seats, there will be a change in the cutoff that you can expect for this year of COMEDCAN KCET counseling. So here I will try to provide you CSC, CSCS specialization such as AI, ML or cyber security. This type of branches has been added, so that will be considered under CSC specialization. And I will also provide you for ISC and EC that is expected for 2021. So if you are doing KCET counseling or COMEDCAN counseling, this video is for you. Please try to watch the video till the end so that you will know about the safe rank of 2021 counseling, and you can estimate yourself which type of college you are going to get. So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get the complete information regarding these two counseling and other counseling, other entrance exam also in this channel only. And one more thing, I would like to inform you that if you need counseling guidance for any of the counseling, that is KCET, COMEDCAN or JOSA, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MST CET, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number, because in previous year I have successfully guided so many students to get their best out of the rank. So if you want, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, so that I can guide you for everything, because different students have different type of mindset, different type of personal interest. So it needs a detailed discussion so that I can guide you for everything, that is how you need to select the choices, which college you should choose, which branch you should consider, because it's all about your career. That is 4 year of BTech course, and after that you will do the work or job in that same field what you will choose here. So it's very important to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, I am here to help you. You can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So let's start this video. So here is the first one, that is RNS Institute of Technology. There is no particular ranking that is 1 to 10 or 10 to 1, but I am just considering the top 10 colleges, and I will provide you the expected cutoff after considering the increment in the number of seat and branch. So please try to watch this video carefully. If you want counseling guidance, you can contact me anytime. So here is the first one, that is RNS Institute of Technology. So here is the information, that is first I will talk about the KCET cutoff, then COMEDCAN cutoff. So for KCET you can expect CSC cutoff will go up to 9,000. CSC specialization, that is AI, ML and other branches that has been added in this college. And I have already provided you the video regarding the increment in the seat and branch college wise. So you can check that video, where there you will get the total number of seats, CSC seat, EC seat and ISC seat separately, and also the increment, that is number of seat increases. So you can watch that video in the I button as well as in the description box. CSC specialization cutoff will go up to 10.5 thousand, ISC, that is information science engineering, 12,000 and EC 19,000. So next, if you talk about for COMEDCAN, it will be 10,000 for CS and CS specialization, it will be 12,000, ISC 14,000 and EC 33,000. So this is all about the RNS Institute of Technology. So next if you talk about Siddhganga Institute of Technology, that is also known as SIT Tumkur. So here is the information, and for KCET it will be 6,000 for CSC, and other you can check by pausing this video. And for COMEDCAN it will be 7,000 for CSC, and other you can check by pausing this video. So next, if you talk about NIT Meenakshi Institute of Technology, so here is the information for KCET. The CSC cutoff will go up to 8.5 thousand, and I am providing you the updated cutoff. I have already provided you the top 25 college cutoff, but due to the increment in the seat, there will be an effect on the expected that you can expect in this year of COMEDCAN KCET counseling. So for COMEDCAN, CSC cutoff will go up to 6.5 thousand, and other you can check by pausing this video. So before going forward for this video, I would like to inform you that if your rank is little bit higher, not so much higher, little bit higher than the expected cutoff that I am providing in this video for all the colleges, then also you can get those seats, but with better counseling only, because I have seen in previous year there was an exclusive round, so student get good college at very high rank as well. So you need to do it very carefully so that you will get the seat. No need to worry if your rank is little bit higher or so much higher, then there are so many options available. Once you contact me, then I will discuss all those things and I will guide you from now till your admission is done. So next, if we talk about the National Institute of Engineering, Mysore, so here is the cutoff, that is there is no addition of branch, that's why there is no CSC specialization cutoff available in this college. but there is an increment of 5% in the number of seats that will have an effect in the cutoff. So there is a slight change in the cutoff. So for CSC it will be around 3.2 thousand. Another you can check by pausing this video. And so next, if you talk about SMVIT, so in this college also there is no branch increases, but the number of seat increases, that is 5%. So for CSC expected cutoff will be 7,000, for KCET counseling, and for ComEdK it will be 5,000. So next, if you talk about Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering, so here is the information, that is for KCET the CSC cutoff will be 5,000, CSC specialization 5.5 thousand, and other you can check by pausing this video. And for KCET it will be 3.5 thousand for CSC and 4,000 for CSC specialization. So next, if you talk about Bangalore Institute of Technology, so here is the information. For KCET counseling, CSC cutoff will be around 4,000, and for ComEdK counseling the CSC cutoff will be around 3.3 thousand. So next, if you talk about BMS College of Engineering, so here is the information. For KCET counseling, CSC cutoff will be around 900, and for AIML 1.3 thousand, and for other branches you can check sidewise. And for ComEdK counseling, CSC cutoff will be around 700, AIML 1.1 thousand, and other you can check by pausing this video. So next, if you talk about MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, so this college have got 4 new branches that I have already talked in my previous video. You can check that video so that you will know about the complete review of the increment of seat, that is how many number of branch added, how many number of seat increased, and what is the total number of seat now, that is updated number of seat. You can check that video in the I button. So here is the cutoff, that is for KCET counseling, CSC cutoff will be 1.2 thousand, CSC specialization 2,000, and other you can check by pausing this video. For ComEdK it will be 1.2 and 1.9 thousand for CSC and CSC specialization. So next, if you talk about RV College of Engineering, so here is the information, that is for KCET CSC cutoff will be around 200, ISC 400, AIML 300, EC 700. And for ComEdK counseling it will be 450 for CSC, ISC 600, AIML 520 rank, and EC 1.4 thousand. So this is all about the updated cutoff for top 10 colleges under KCET and ComEdK. So I hope you have find this video very useful, because I have considered all the factor to make this video. This takes so much time, so please try to like this video so that this video can reach to maximum number of students. And one more time I would like to inform you, if you want counseling guidance you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box, because that is most important thing to do now. You have done the 2 years of hard work and your parents is ready to pay the fee, but it is ultimately the counseling that will provide you the seat. So one more thing I would like to inform you, that if your rank is little bit higher than the cutoff that I am providing in this video, then also you will get the seat, but with better counseling only, because in previous year I have seen so many students who did mistake, they were not able to get the best out of their rank, and many students got the good college at higher rank also. So it's all about doing the counseling very carefully. So it is advisable to take the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box.